Ever wonder why some women seem too good to be true? Narcissistic women have sneaky ways to control even the strongest of us. In this video, I'll reveal 6 tactics they use and how to counter them. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss powerful insights like this. Let's dive in. Number 1. Emotional manipulation through drama. Narcissistic women are masters at creating chaos to seize control. They manufacture drama, either by exaggerating small issues or provoking emotional reactions, to pull sigma males into their whirlwind. The goal is simple: disrupt your calm and make you feel responsible for solving their problems. For a sigma male who thrives on logic and independence, this tactic is especially disorienting. You may find yourself questioning your judgment or bending your boundaries just to maintain peace. But here's the truth: this drama isn't accidental. It's a deliberate attempt to chip away at your emotional stability. The key to countering this manipulation is detachment. Don't react to the drama. Instead, approach the situation with clarity and composure. By staying grounded, you deny them the control they crave. Remember, you don't need to engage in every battle they start. Your peace is your power. Guard it fiercely. Number 2. The victimhood trap. Narcissistic women often use victimhood as a weapon to control sigma males. They craft stories of endless suffering or blame others for their struggles, all to evoke your sympathy and guilt. As a sigma male, your natural empathy and problem-solving mindset make you an ideal target for this tactic. The trap works like this. They portray themselves as helpless, subtly suggesting that it's your responsibility to fix their issues. Over time, this guilt-driven dynamic drains your energy and shifts the relationship power balance in their favor. To escape this trap, recognize the pattern. Genuine victims seek solutions. Manipulators seek control. Offer help within reason, but don't let their sob stories cloud your judgment or make you feel obligated. Protect your independence by setting boundaries. Remember, a sigma male's strength lies in knowing when to walk away from emotional manipulation disguised as helplessness. Number 3. Subtle attacks on confidence. Narcissistic women often use subtle tactics to erode a sigma male's confidence. These may include backhanded compliments, dismissive remarks, or undermining achievements in seemingly harmless ways. Over time, these small jabs can accumulate, creating self-doubt and a reliance on their validation. For a sigma male, known for independence and self-assurance, this tactic is designed to weaken their natural strength and make them more controllable. These attacks are rarely direct, making them harder to spot but no less damaging. The best way to counter this is by staying anchored in your own sense of self-worth. Recognize your accomplishments and value without seeking external validation. By maintaining a clear understanding of your strengths and refusing to internalize these subtle criticisms, you can protect your confidence and avoid falling into their manipulative traps. Strength and self-awareness remain the sigma male's greatest defenses. Number 4. Love bombing and sudden withdrawal. Narcissistic women often use a tactic known as love bombing to quickly gain a sigma male's attention and trust. They shower him with excessive affection, flattery, and attention, creating an illusion of deep connection. For a sigma male who values authenticity, this intense validation may feel enticing and rare. However, once they've established an emotional bond, the narcissist pulls back, withdrawing affection and leaving the sigma male confused and craving more. This push-pull dynamic is designed to create emotional dependency. The highs of love bombing make the lows of withdrawal feel even more intense, tricking you into chasing their approval. The key to breaking free from this manipulation is recognizing the cycle. Stay aware of the pattern. Over-the-top affection followed by sudden distance. Don't allow your emotions to be controlled by their inconsistency. Trust your own self-worth and avoid investing in someone who plays with your emotions for control. Number 5. Isolation from support systems. Narcissistic women often attempt to isolate sigma males from their friends and family, gradually making them the sole focus of their attention. This tactic serves to weaken your support network, leaving you more vulnerable to their manipulation. They may subtly discourage you from spending time with others, whether through guilt-tripping or planting seeds of doubt about your relationships with loved ones. For a sigma male who thrives on independence, This isolation can be especially dangerous. It limits the perspectives and advice from trusted friends and family, making you more reliant on the narcissist's control. To resist this manipulation, it's crucial to maintain strong connections with your support system. Prioritize your relationships outside of the narcissist's influence and set firm boundaries when they try to interfere. A Sigma male's strength lies in his ability to stand on his own, but staying connected to others ensures that manipulation doesn't go unchecked. Number 6. Gaslighting to rewrite reality. Gaslighting is a powerful manipulation tactic narcissistic women use to make Sigma males doubt their own perceptions and memories. They may twist facts, deny events that happened, or accuse you of overreacting, all with the intent of making you question your reality. Over time, this can erode your trust in yourself and your judgment, leaving you more susceptible to their control. For a Sigma male who values clarity and logic, this tactic can be particularly disorienting. It disrupts your sense of self and makes it harder to trust your instincts. The key to combating gaslighting is self-awareness. Keep track of important conversations and events to reinforce your memory and avoid being manipulated. Trust your instincts and stand firm in your perception of reality. A Sigma male's ability to remain grounded and trust his own truth is one of his strongest defenses against this form of manipulation.